Could this Chinese SUV really be Tesla's worst nightmare? Is the Tesla CEO secretly worried that the Zeekr 7X might be the challenger that no one saw coming? For years, the Model Y has been untouchable, the symbol of EV dominance. But industry whispers suggest a shift. Something big. Something that could change the global EV game forever. This isn't just another flashy car launch. This feels like a warning shot. Zeekr, a brand many dismissed as just another Chinese startup, has unleashed the 7X, and experts are already calling it Tesla's biggest threat yet. But why? What makes this SUV so disruptive? And why could it be the one car Tesla fears most? Here's where it gets interesting. On paper, the Zeekr 7X doesn't just compete with Tesla's Model Y. It leapfrogs it in ways that raise uncomfortable questions. The first shocker is the price. In China, the Zeekr 7X starts about $1,400 cheaper than the Model Y. In Australia, the difference is still there. The Zeekr 7X undercuts Tesla from day one. Imagine that, a premium EV SUV that's newer, packed with features, and already more affordable. That alone sends ripples through Tesla's pricing strategy. But that's just the beginning. The real twist? Range. The Zeekr 7X boasts up to 780 kilometers on a single charge with its 100 kilowatt-hour pack. Even the mid-range 75 kilowatt-hour version delivers over 600 kilometers, according to Chinese testing. Compare that to the Model Y's real-world numbers, and you begin to see why analysts are raising eyebrows. A cheaper car with more range, that's a headline Tesla does not want to see. But here's what nobody expected. Charging. The 7X doesn't just plug in. It refuels at speeds that sound almost impossible, thanks to an 800-volt system. Its in-house LFP battery rockets from 10% to 80% in just 10 minutes. Yes, 10. That's faster than many people spend ordering coffee. Tesla's superchargers are fast, sure, but Zeekr is positioning itself as the new world leader in charging speed. If this holds up in global markets, it changes the game entirely. And speed isn't just in the battery. Performance numbers are eye-popping. The dual-motor Zeekr 7X punches out 475 kilowatts, that's over 630 horsepower, and hits 100 kilometers per hour in 3.8 seconds. A family SUV with the acceleration of a sports car. Even the single-motor version clocks a sprint in under 6 seconds. For everyday drivers, that's instant confidence. For Tesla, it's a direct challenge. But here's the twist you don't hear in Tesla showrooms. Luxury. Step inside the Zeekr 7X, and you don't feel stripped down or minimal. You feel spoiled. Heated, cooled, and even massage-equipped 14-way power seats. Nappa leather wrapping the cabin. Panoramic ambient lighting that feels straight out of a Mercedes or BMW. And then the tech, a 16-inch mini LED display with crisp visuals, a 13-inch digital dash, and a head-up display that stretches an astonishing 36 inches across your view. Tesla's simple screens suddenly feel bare by comparison. And for music lovers, Zeekr didn't hold back. A 21-speaker, 2,160-watt Dolby Atmos sound system floods the cabin with studio-level audio. This isn't just commuting, it's a concert on wheels. Safety adds yet another layer. The Zeekr 7X earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, with adult protection scores north of 90%. That places it among the safest EVs in the world. But it goes further. A built-in emergency hammer hidden in the doors. A unique child seat with its own airbag, a feature no Tesla offers. Underneath, high-strength steel and aluminum form a structure Zeekr calls a mobile safety fortress. But maybe the sharpest twist comes in driver assistance. While Tesla doubled down on its camera-only approach, Zeekr has taken the opposite path. The 7X packs NVIDIA Orin chips and LiDAR sensors for its semi-autonomous features. To Zeekr, safety means redundancy. The CEO has even promised advanced driver assistance at no extra cost, bundled in rather than locked behind a paywall. For Tesla, which charges thousands for its software, that's a direct challenge to its business model. So let's step back. Why does this matter to you? Why should anyone outside China or Australia care? Because the EV battleground is shifting faster than ever. Tesla built its empire on being years ahead in range, charging, and software. But suddenly, a challenger emerges that can match, and in some cases surpass, each of those pillars. Longer range, faster charging, luxurious cabins, aggressive pricing, and advanced safety tech. This isn't just competition, this is disruption. But the story isn't finished. There are still doubts, and they matter. Zeekr is a young brand. Its long-term reliability hasn't been proven outside China. Service networks abroad are limited. And the Tesla CEO knows one truth. Building great cars is hard, but scaling production globally is even harder. Tesla faced years of production hell before hitting its stride. Will Zeekr stumble on the same road? Or will its backing from Geely, Volvo, and Polestar give it the stability Tesla never had in its early days? That's the unanswered question. Meanwhile, Tesla faces its own storms. Analysts note slipping quality scores in surveys. Chinese rivals are pushing brutal price wars, forcing Tesla to slash prices. Margins are thinner, and while Tesla's brand remains strong, its cars suddenly feel less unique. The Model Y, once the futuristic outlier, now feels almost familiar. So the tension builds. A Tesla CEO trying to defend the crown. A bold Chinese challenger armed with speed, luxury, and price. And consumers caught in the middle, wondering what's next. Here's the cliffhanger. If Zeekr can expand to Europe, North America, and beyond with this level of product, Tesla will be forced to respond. Maybe with lower prices, maybe with new features, or maybe with something we haven't seen yet. But one thing is clear. The Zeekr 7X has already changed the conversation. Because, think about it, a few years ago, nobody thought a Chinese startup could touch Tesla. Now, experts are saying this could be the EV that knocks the king off the throne. If that doesn't make Tesla nervous, what will? So here's the takeaway. The Zeekr 7X isn't just another electric SUV. It's a statement, a shot across Tesla's bow, a reminder that no empire lasts forever. And whether you're a Tesla fan, an EV skeptic, or just someone curious about the future of cars, this battle will shape what you drive in the next 5 years. Now, I want to hear from you. Which feature of the Zeekr 7X shocked you the most? Do you think Tesla can really hold its ground? Or is this the beginning of a new era? Drop your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like and subscribe for more stories that reveal the hidden truths of the car world. And just so you know, this video is based on verified reports and expert reviews. Always check official sources before making any decision.